Most videos about making money on Facebook are misleading. People throw out random ideas, show zero proof, and expect you to believe you can make thousands overnight. So I decided to test it myself. For the next 72 hours, I tried 5 real Facebook side hustles using my own time and a small budget to see what actually pays, what is a complete waste of time, and how much money you can realistically make. And what I found honestly surprised me. Hustle number 1 is Facebook Marketplace flipping. The idea is simple. You find underpriced items, buy them, and relist them for a profit. I jumped onto Marketplace, spent 30 minutes searching, and then something interesting happened. I found a used tech item listed for $10. The exact same item was selling for $25 to $30 from other sellers. I moved fast. I messaged the seller, picked it up, cleaned it properly, and took high-quality photos. Then I rewrote the listing to make it clear and attractive. Less than 24 hours later, a buyer messaged me, and it sold for $25. That is a $15 profit in under a day. But here is where most people fail. If you are slow to reply, you lose the buyer instantly. Speed matters more than anything in this hustle. Next, I tested Facebook groups, but I did not spam links. Instead, I offered a simple service. I joined a few local business groups and made a clean post offering logo design for small businesses at an affordable price. No website, no portfolio, just a clear and confident offer. A few hours passed and nothing happened. Then suddenly, my inbox popped. I landed my first client for $20. And here is the part one did not expect. I did not even design the logo from scratch. I used a free template, customized it, and delivered it in under 30 minutes. That is $20 for less than half an hour of work. Your success here depends on one thing: how professional your offer sounds. If it looks cheap or confusing, people ignore you. For hustle number 3, I wanted something that could grow over time, so I tested Facebook Reels. I posted short finance videos with no face shown, just stock footage and captions. At first, nothing happened. Then after a few posts, one video started picking up views. Not crazy numbers, but enough to show potential. Here is the reality most people will not tell you. Reels will not make you money instantly, but this is where long-term income is built. Once you have attention, you can monetize it with digital products or affiliate offers. This is not fast money. This is smart money. Then I moved to affiliate marketing on Facebook. I created a simple post on a page, breaking down a useful tool and how it solves a specific problem. At first, complete silence, no clicks, no engagement. So I changed my approach. I rewrote the post to make it more helpful, direct, and focused on one clear benefit. That is when things changed. Clicks started coming in, and I got my first commission check. Not huge, but real. Most people try to sell, but the creators who win focus on helping first. Finally, I tested Facebook page management. Thousands of small businesses have Facebook pages they barely use because they do not have time. I reached out to local businesses and offered to handle 3 posts a week and manage their inbox. At first, no replies. Then 3 businesses asked for my pricing. No deal closed yet, but this model has recurring income potential. One single client can pay you every month. So after 72 hours, here are the real results. Marketplace flipping made $15 profit. Microservices brought in $20. Affiliate marketing generated my first commission. Reels and page management started building long-term income streams. In total, I made $35. Not life-changing money, but most people spend weeks watching videos and make nothing. This took me just 72 hours. If you want fast cash, start with marketplace flipping or simple services. If you want something bigger, focus on building attention with Reels and monetizing it later. Comment Facebook if you want part 2 where I scale these side hustles to $1,000 step by step. Subscribe if you want real, tested ways to make money online without the fake hype. I will see you in the next video. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.